No, Uncle Fee, relax. Me no, and yes, sir, obi na ati na catch me. Uncle Phony more ding. Like, when we say me swano, I make papa to spare pass no whisker. Sometimes I just lie on my pillow and I'm like, oh God, I wish my father still have it. Omuti more ding. Me catch Madame for back say. Fanesewa kwa sorry be na baba wabi team. Na ebi adiopa ye 2,000 Ghana cedis. Edi a starting business be. What you say? I sorry wa mano. Woni mo brimpon bi pa brimpon ni betimi aboa no. Obi wan ko beka so wedi me kan to the scanner mame. There be o. Scanner kasa no fama. Me die I have the opportunity to be close to most of them. Omutimu ode. Ye wo mu bi wo ha. Ubetimi aye adwuma ama no. Adwuma na waye no. Ebia probably he used to give you 500 Ghana cedis. 50 Ghana and combating. 500 Ghana no de be say 50 Ghana no be nyo obetim. You say 50 na ye half just one ma scan kwa. Enti Ghana scaffold dey so mu tie mi a. Me kan say Nigeria ni we Femi Adiotola. O kan sem bi say he sometimes asks himself say sika no nipa de be wu ana. Because there are lots of talented people in town. I don't know what Pemwaka Krebi, the Aquananim, 1 year ne ba, dear. You will say, hey, I see my Siban Econo. Although you're there. Oh, there be. Oh, who said we worked for them?
Okay.
I once worked with a guy on doctorate and a lot of things for them. And everyone also had opportunity to be close to them.
Okay.
Omutimo de. Me say, Saganes Kafoye 10 9. Minim se omedu heaven gate anwa.
Hey,
Omuti more ding.
Oh,
there be Akofi put jokes aside. Omuti like the guys are you was kafobi will be 100 Ghana cry. Then times ye no mo be a shin wa kwa beto aduane adin. 100 Ghana kwa be pa no chon say be eja. Me se o fama me na e be menya bi edi. Na me nie yo di machi enya bi di no. Ka be kwa da free. O fama. Hey, some are weak. No.
now why you go to the bottom?
Uncle Femi near go bottom. But you see a kind heart. Uncle Femi does say. Uncle Femi does say. No quite young quantin mount.
And for forces, scaffolding be begin 1 2 year.
Yeah.
Honestly, feeder. Yeah. And yes, you say your bemo bisco.
Yeah.
And answer the bisao.
Yeah.
The second of the amano, I do call you one.
Uncle Femi, you are the koye biano. The nipan fan so mammy. $10 million so me dia cha won so fa koye bibi. Dia me di koye bi and they say a good mind, but from that a good mind has no like